In this video, I am going to be talking about how much money do Roblox developers make. Before starting this video, I apologize to all my subscribers because I haven't been posting for a while, and I am telling you, to all my subscribers and my new subscribers, that this will not happen again. So now, let's get straight into the video. Here I am in Chrome and in another account in Roblox, which I just called Make Money with Roblox, which is kind of weird. Okay, so the first thing, anyone can really see how much what game have made what easily, and that's using a plugin called Roblox Statics, and the link will be in the description. And this is an add-on to Chrome that you can simply add to Chrome. It's free, and you could see any game's earnings, what they earned in total with game passes. And if it's a game who costs money, example a game who costs Robux, like Bloxburg, it would even show you how much people bought the game and the earnings, how much money they earned with people buying the game and how much money they earned with the game passes. So like I said, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how much do game developers earn. So I'm going to go into some popular games like Bloxburg, Adopt Me, and more to show you guys what they have earned. So right now, let's head on to Bloxburg. In Bloxburg, when you go over, click on it, you literally see that it costs 25 Robux, and now you have 0 Robux right there. And you can't buy. If you have 0 Robux, obviously you can't play Bloxburg. And I have Bloxburg in my other account, and it is a pretty cool game. And as you can see here, you're gonna see how much it costs, and bam, sales. So they have sold. 17 million people have bought this game. So look, it has almost 2 billion visits, guys, but only 17 million people actually bought it, because people played it again and again and again because they actually liked the game. And as well, I enjoyed Bloxburg because it's pretty fun actually. And if I hover on that 70 million Robux, they have 17 million people who bought it. It's gonna show me the amount of Robux they earned, which is 299 million, and the amount of US dollars they have earned, which is $1 million. So they have earned $1 million from people who just bought the game. So that's a dream for me, to actually earn millions of dollars. So let's just go check out the game passes, how much they have earned. Well, so when you go here, you see that it's 2 billion Robux they have earned with the game passes. So you're starting to say, what is happening right here? 2 billion Robux. Okay, here they earned 300 million, and here it's 2 billion. How much money they have earned with this? Guess. Try to guess right now. Stop the video. Try to guess how much is 2 billion Robux worth in dollars. Okay, so let's ruin the something, whatever. Let's just go over and hover on it. Oh my god, guys, they have earned $8 million with only game passes, plus $1 million, which is $9 million. And imagine with the premium payouts, how much would it be? Premium payouts, man, it's gonna be probably another $2 million, guys. What is this, guys? I didn't know you could get millions so easy, dudes. Well, actually, no, you can't. You can't get millions so easy, because it's not anyone who can make a game like this. Making a game like this requires really good developing experience, and even me myself, I can't make a game like Bloxburg. I can make good games like simulators, but I cannot just go over Legend, just go make an awesome game like this. I can make good games because, you know, I have learned developing and spend my time on it, but I cannot just go over and just make a super nice, awesome game. I cannot make a replica of Bloxburg, if you know what I mean. So right now, let's just go over back in games, and I'm going to show you guys what other game have earned what. Next coming up is Adopt Me, and it is a super popular game. You've probably played it. I am sure you did, and I played it a lot, and it's pretty fun because you go over, get pets, have fun, have your house, get a bicycle, get super cars. Yeah, that's a game pass. But yes, it's really cool, and it's basically like real life, but a bit different, obviously, because it's a game. And as you can see there, okay, it has almost 6 billion visits. Go over to see how much they've earned. 2 billion Robux. This is basically, have they earned as much money as Bloxburg with the game passes? So they have earned $7 million, and this is a no, because Bloxburg have earned $8 million with the game passes, and they have earned $7 million. But this is still so much money, $7 million, guys. And again, they have earned so much more money with developer products. And if you don't know what is developer products, it is a product that you can go over and buy over and over again. Example, in Bloxburg, it would be if you want to boost your mood, and that means like boost your mood for like some Robux or something like this, or buy cash. You can do it over and over again. And I've did this in some games. I've bought cash, and I didn't buy a lot of game passes, almost none. Actually only did buy one game pass in the game, which was admin, to be an admin, and that was pretty cool actually, because I kept on being so overpowered. Whatever, let's continue focusing. And like I said, they've earned a lot of money with developer products, probably the same amount of Robux with developer products, and as well with premium payouts, which is actually tripled right now. So premium payouts are tripled right now, and as well, even though you don't have premium, you would still gain 30-70% of the Robux, like if you had premium, which is awesome. Which is an awesome thing Roblox did right now. And now people are saying to Roblox, you should make it so you could DevX without premium. But honestly, I think this is not a good idea, because you should still buy premium for a reason, you know, because Roblox needs to earn money, and they want you to buy premium so you could actually DevX. So every single developer who wants to DevX or has to DevX will buy premium, and Roblox will earn money as well. And it has to work like this. Roblox can't just give you money like this, and this is normal. And let's continue on for other games. And so the next game coming up is going to be Mad City. So Mad City is a game which is like Jailbreak, and has some other different features. So if you haven't played Mad City, you should go check it out, because it's a cool game, and I've played it and it's awesome. So here, let's go over, and it has 1 billion visits. Let's go over to see the game passes here, and bam, they've earned $1 million. Yes, exactly $1 million. So 300 million Robux is equal to $1 million. Okay, so 300 million Robux is $1 million. It's like if you say 300 Robux is $1, which is, I think, true or not. Okay, whatever. $300 million. Sorry, I mean 300 million Robux is $1 million. So that's awesome. So that's a lot of money, first thing. And as well, they do have developer products, and I was gonna buy the one, but I didn't, because I didn't want to spend too much Robux on just random games, which is pretty right to do, because if you're a developer like me, or like anyone which is a developer, you want to save Robux for, you know, your own games, to advertise them, because advertising will make them actually rank much better and get much more players playing. So they've earned, like I said, $1 million with this, probably another $1 million with developer products, and another $1 million with premium payouts. So bam, 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 a lot of money that they earned. And it's by Swifty Studios. I hope I pronounced this right. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video where I have showed you guys how to see the earnings of someone else in Roblox, and how much money do Roblox developers actually make. If you liked it, then like, and if you're new to this channel, then subscribe. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video again. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see ya for another video.